Hi, Mignonette here with your down and dirty garden tip. My tip for you today is, when are you growing? Now, gardening is a very seasonal activity. You have to grow with the season that you're in. And I know that it can be really tempting to just jump out there and throw stuff in the ground, but you want to be strategic, and you will have the most garden success when you work with the season. You will minimize your frustration and get the maximum harvest. So make sure that you know the season that you're in and that you're growing with the season. If this tip is helpful, head over to Amphy and sign up for my gardening classes. Do it right now so that I can be part of your gardening journey. Happy growing.